Hello and welcome to my Easy Cooking Kitchen. Since I have a birthday in August, I decided to do something special for you guys. I decided to take three things that I really love: carrots, cake, who can say no to cake, and Indian food, and find one amazing dish to combine them all. This dish is carrot cake pakoras. It's inspired by a recipe I saw a couple of years ago by Nadia Hussein, so a huge shout out to her, and hope you enjoy it, so let's go. Here's what you'll need. You can use raisins instead of cranberries and also add mixed spice if you like it. Start by peeling and grating the carrots. To that, add the walnuts and cranberries. Then the sugar. Grab a trusty spoon and mix. Now it's time to add the flour. Mine is sifted as usual. Baking powder. And once again, mix. We're almost done. Take the eggs and beat them thoroughly. Once you're done, add them too, and you've guessed it, mix. You want to get a nice even batter, so it will hold when fried. To see if the oil is hot enough, take a piece of the batter, and once it rises to the top, you're good to go. Take a spoonful and using another one, gently drop it in the hot oil. If you're shallowish frying like me, 2 minutes per side. If you're deep frying, 4 minutes in total. Make sure not to overcrowd the pan. All that's left now is to take it out and spread some icing sugar on top. You can simply grind some sugar and use that like I did. There you have it, easy and simple carrot cake pakoras. Let me know how yours turned out in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, and share it with your friends. But most importantly, bon appetit!